Good morning. Welcome to K2 Studio. In this video, I'm going to be covering Midjourney's 3 prompts, which is Imagine, Describe, and Blend mode. So let's get started. I have this notepad file here. So the first one we're going to be covering is Imagine. So definition is the primary command to generate AI images from text descriptions is the foundation of all Midjourney creation. So here I have an example. It says, example of your slide, imagine a majestic dragon perched on a crystal mountain peak, golden sunset, fantasy art style, highly detailed. So I'm just going to copy this from here. I'm going to hit copy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. And again, this is in Discord. And I'm going to hit slide and I'm going to type imagine. And you can see it pops up here. It says create images with Midjourney. And I'm going to paste my prompt and I'm going to hit enter. And what's going to do now, it's going to create 4 versions of this majestic dragon. So let's see what it comes up with. All right, so it's generating it right now. You can see it's at 39%, 67%. All right, it is done. So now what you can do is if you click here, you can see that it has 4 versions of it. So whatever you like, you can pick, and how you can do that is coming down here. So if you like this one, you can click on U1, U2, U3, and U4. Now, if you want different versions of this, so let's say if I like this, but I want to try different 4 ones, I can click on V1, hit Submit button, and let's see what happens. And you can see it's creating. Okay, now I created 4 more. So again, you pick the one you like. Let it finish. It's at 63%. Okay. And it is done. So let's say if I like this one, the second one, I could just click on U2. And click it, and then I can just click and save this image and download. So that's how you use the image mode. Let's do the next one. The next one is describe. So let's read this definition first. The reverse of imagine, upload an existing image and Midjourney analyzes to create 4 different text prompts that could recreate the similar image. So what I did was in here, let's say I want it to reimagine this. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to Midjourney and I'm going to click here and I'm going to describe. And you see it says write a prompt, and I'm going to paste that. And if I click image, it's right here. And then I'm going to hit enter. And now it's going to describe that image. So again, it gives you 4 versions of that image description. You usually want to pick the one that has the most details. And for me, I think that would be number 1, right? A simple flat illustrator of 2 overlapping circles in orange and red of an off-white background. So I'm going to click on this one and hit this button. And let's see what it comes up with. It's at 75%. All right, so you can click it and click the one you like. So I like this one here. So let's say I want to try 4 different types of that one, the 4th one. Let's see what happens. And again, you could see here, it's running, and let's see what it comes out with. That 35% here. All right, so you pick the one you like, the same thing. So let's say if I like this one, it's at 71%. All right, it's done. So let's say if I like the first one, so I just click on U1 and it will create it. And all I have to do is click and I can download it here. So save image, and I can save this image. And the last one we're going to cover is the blend mode. So let's look at that. It says definition combines 2 or 3 uploaded images into a single new creation, merging their visual elements, styles, and characteristics. Right. So let's say I'm going to pick 2. I have 2 here. So if I go here, I'm going to blend these 2, this one and this one. So I'm going to copy this first one. Just hit copy here. And I'm going to go to my Discord and I'm going to click blend. And it says 2 images. So let's paste the first one. Let me grab the second one. Copy that. Come back here, paste it. Hit enter, and let's see what happens. And again, it's going to load. It says waiting to start, and it started right here. All right, let's see what we get. So again, here's the blend. You can pick the one you like. So let's say I pick the one that's the 4th one. And I click U4. And it will create it for me. And then I'll be able to download it. So if you like this image, you just click here. You click save image and it will download it for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.